MUVON Therapeutics is a Swiss clinical stage biotechnology startup with the goal to develop and commercialize a therapeutic platform for the regeneration of damaged skeletal muscles. The tissue engineering therapy uses the patient's own muscle precursor cells. The cells are isolated from a small muscle biopsy, multiplied under strictly regulated conditions, and re-injected into the damaged muscle. Here they begin to differentiate from new muscle fibers and fuse with existing ones to regenerate the muscle. Thus, this personalized low-risk treatment is minimally invasive and may provide a cure to various muscle-related diseases. Safety and efficacy has been demonstrated in 12 years of highly interdisciplinary preclinical research at the University of Zurich and its collaborators. After receiving approval for the first in-human clinical trial in 2015, we were awarded the highly competitive Horizon 2020 grant to translate our approach into a clinical setting. Our team completed the GMP validation of our patented production process in 2019 and has completed a Phase 1 clinical trial with the treatment of 9 patients in 2021. With further support from the Weiss Zurich Translation Center, we are working on the next steps of the clinical and commercial development to bring this highly promising therapy one step closer to the patients in need.